In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the stopwatch mode on the Casio WS-1500H-1AV. Pretty simple stuff. We're going to start by pressing the mode button. It's the bottom left button on the watch. We're going to press it 2 times to get to the stopwatch mode. It's really pretty standard to other Casio watches. Your bottom right button is going to be your start, your pause/stop, your resume, and then while it's stopped, if you press the top left button, that will reset your value. You can have the stopwatch running in the background, but there's no indicator showing you that it's running. When you're in the mode, you can see that the stopwatch is running because you've got this little graphic up here. But you'll notice as I go to a different mode, we can't see that the stopwatch is running at all. But it will run for 24 hours and then it will reset itself. It does have a split option, so while it's running, if I press the top left button, I've got my split, and if I press it again, I can release it. I should mention that if you've got your split on and you switch to a different mode, it will release your split automatically. If you're trying to time 2 different runners, both runners are running. When the first runner finishes, you're going to press the top left button. When your second runner finishes, you're going to press the bottom right button. And now you've got the time of your first runner. If you press the top left button, you've got the time of your second runner, and then press the top left button again, and that will reset it to 0. Not a whole lot else to show you there. Pretty basic as always. Once you're done, you'll press the mode button a few times, get you back to the main timekeeping, and that's a look at the stopwatch mode on the WS-1500H-1AV. I hope the video helped.